Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to unsave a group post on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've ever saved a post from a group to revisit later, but now want to remove it from your saved items, this quick guide is here to help. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're in, navigate to your page by clicking on your profile or page icon. From there, scroll through your feed or timeline to find the specific post from the group that you previously saved. When you've located the post, look at the upper right corner of the post. You'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the options menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down list of available actions for the post. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Unsave Post. Click on Unsave Post, and Facebook will immediately remove it from your saved posts list. This means it will no longer be stored in your saved items, freeing up space and keeping your saved content organized. That's really all there is to it. The new update has streamlined this process so you can easily manage saved posts without digging through multiple menus. Just a few clicks, and you're done. To recap, open the Facebook app on your PC. Find the group post on your page, click the 3 dots on that post, and select Unsave Post. Simple, fast, and perfect for keeping your saved items tidy. Thanks for watching.